release safety.
Lo. I-open bolt mo yun, oh.
Open bolt, open bolt.
Pindutin mo, sir, yung ano, bolt catch. Yan. Sa baba.
Flores.
Lo! Pusa.
Walang mag-release safety ha.
Automatic ka. Safety mo.
Isang bar naman yan.
Aim your target. Aim your target.
Spray mo na ba din madali?
Seryosohin nyo ba? Okay, firers. Insert magazine loaded with 30 rounds.
Bilang ha, magbilang.
Bilangin mo, 10 lang, ha.
10 rounds lang yan. Okay, firers. Load and make ready. Load. Firers, are you ready?
Ready.
Release safety. Release safety and commence firing.
10 lang, ha.
Tampo na, tampo.
Ilan na?
Ano? Okay. Safety.
Hoy!
Di pa, 10 na. Okay na.
Ayusin mo. Ganyan ba tinuro sa inyo? Ha?
Sige, sir. Sige, sir.
Safety.
Still firing.
Di ba nag-PCMT ka na?
Safety, safety.
Shoulder
Okay,
pocket.
proceed to kneeling position. Kneeling.
Kneeling.
Load, load. Aim your target.
Patong mo.
Okay, firers. Release safety. At commence firing. Lima lang, lima.
Safety. Down rifle. Down rifle na.
Down rifle.
Down rifle, sir. Safety.
Down
Tapos
rifle.
down rifle. Okay. Proceed to sitting position. Sitting. Indian sit.
Sitting.
Indian sit.
Doon ka humarap sa ano, dyan, sa may, dito. Diyan ka humarap. Yan.
Side view, side view,
Side
side
view.
view.
Pilita mo?
Sorry na sir.
Okay, firers, pick up your rifle and aim your target. Firers, release safety,
5 lang yan ha.
commence firing.
5 lang ulit.
Safety.
Safety.
Drop
Down
your
rifle.
rifle.
Clone, dapa.
Tagilid ka.
Firers, pick up your rifle and aim your target.
Hoy! Ipahatong mo sa
Umusod ka.
sandbag yung ano?
Isagad mo yung magazine. Yan. Ikaw
Ito
din,
ano?
sir. Oy! Sagad mo dyan. Isagad mo. Ikaw din, sir. Sir. Sagad mo, sir. Yan.
Okay, firers, release safety, commence firing. Release magazine and safety.
Safety.
Tapos tayo.
Safety.
Oh, safety.
Safety.
Safety. Release magazine.
Gear up.
Hoy! Kayong dalawa. Di ba nag-PCMT na kayo? Ba't parang hindi nyo pa alam yung ginagawa nyo? Ha?
Okay, range clear. Meron pa kayo ang target.
Hoy, kinakausap ko ba kayo? Hindi. Dito nga kayo sa asin.
Good afternoon. So pauwi na tayo. We just finished our marksmanship training here sa CDC. So we're on our way home. Catch you guys mga katropa later, ha?